So something dangerous is about to break out in the athletic world. I'm afraid this is going to cause a lot of damage to the Jamaican community athletics because I just hope that this news that I heard is actually fake. Like I'm hoping that the news is fake because I actually saw this on social media. I saw a lot of athletic groups spreading the news and talking about it. It seems to be truth, but I don't really know whether this is truth or not. But I have to still see what I want to say. In case this is your first time, make sure to subscribe. Now, the truth is, I saw this on social media and my heart was broken into pieces when I heard what Yohan Blake says. Do you all remember that Yohan Blake did a false start and he was given an opportunity to raise a loan? So when he was given the opportunity to raise a loan, he actually raised a loan. But according to Yohan Blake, the officials who recorded his time did not recorded the time the way it would, like the machine malfunction when they were recording his time, because they said he ran 10.30 something, 10.31. That's what I heard. They said he ran. So Johan Blake did not agree to their times, and now something has break out because actually, okay, let me verify this. I'm not the one that said this. As you can see, this was published by a very verified social media platform, and this is what it says. It says the world's second fastest man, Johan Blake, is set to sue the Jamaican Athletics Administration Association (JAAA) over time malfunction at the Jamaican trial. So whether this is true or not, let me know what you think in the comments.